Growing up, pastitsio in my house was always part of the menu. I want to say my mother cooked it at least once a week. And most times, most of it was gone when my dad would get home. Most of his friends would even come to the house before he would get back from work, and they would have eaten before even he did, which is pretty funny.
Oh my god, it's way heavier than I thought. Wow, okay.
It's crazy that a lot of people are telling us how big it is, and the truth is, I don't know any other way. This is the way it's always been. And I think the real reason she did is she had so many people to feed. So she had to just make them bigger portions, or maybe perhaps she even had a pot that was too big that she was trying to fill up.
This is not for the faint-hearted. This is an explosion of carbs. Amazing carbs. When you get that nice forkful, it unfolds into so much more food. You really see how much is actually packed into one piece of pastitsio.
And the bechamel's got that like sweet, creamy texture to it. It has like a little bit of cinnamon in it. It's amazing.
That makes me so happy when I see people enjoying it. A lot of times I'll even call my mom and say, hey mom, thanks, you know, people are eating it, people are loving it. She comes here, she critiques me at times, and I'm really trying to get it right. And again, when she takes a piece home, I'm loving it because I know I did it right.